Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Erica. Now Erica is visited by Dr. Love. Dr. Love is with Miss Erica, and they're having, she's introducing him to different stuff, telling him what she's gonna get for him when he's passing back. They seem to be happy and having a good time. So go ahead and watch the video in its entirety, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel as usual.
Landlord. Crooked landlord, crooked man, landlord, yeah.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah.
People.
Mm.
Don't
worry, man, we're not putting up on the camera. Don't worry.
No, not put it. Yeah, private.
Yeah.
Oh, no, look here.
Landlord, I've been there, landlord, yeah. Look,
Whoa, Dr. Love.
We reach.
Wanna go Boston, I go?
I go all over my place right now, right? I'm in Biden City.
When you come down, I'll get 2 jellyfish. You have somewhere for West Bedford?
Let me have everything. They have a place here I get to your ass.
I will get something for you when you come back.
Yeah. I say, I'm go by Erica. I bet Erica not today.
I always go. How about you over there?
Yeah, enough of them I say.
Lego.
Enough of them I say, oh, it is so nice, you know me.
Yeah, we pick 2 Akifi and 2 all the way there. We are going to harvest Dr. Love.
Enough of them.
Yeah,
we reach. People see them there. See them, have a mistake. See them, have everything.
You see, you should have buy some sheet for me when I carry come now. You see it?
Yeah. Become surprised. I say, which man I come out of the house? I come out everybody.
Whoa!
Everybody, this is what you call unity.
Yes, unity. Good unity.
Hey, people, landlord look better. Landlord look better in real life. Do you stand for a camera?
Yeah.
I want to say you ugly, but you know you're a pretty man. I know if you never look good, I tell you.
Yeah, this hypocrite if me never look good in that tell
you. I say landlord, I say you look chronic. But you look good in real life.
Hey, Dr. Love sweet.
Yeah.
Hey, camera foolishness, you know.
Yeah, see them. Let me see how over there now. I like hypocrite then today. Landlord. Reach a Portland.
Landlord promise in there then. They mix up unity and strength.
Yeah, this is what I call unity. But we never have use unity, because we never have a problem.
Well, if you don't want to go to the beach, you'll catch your first part of the sun. I don't know
anywhere.
When you come down back, call me.
Yeah, I call me, I come down.
When I come back, we go for a drive. I go harvest for you now. We are going to reap the property.
Yeah, she's going to battery ride and put the printer. So anyway, people, when we see you again, surprise. When I come up, I call you.
Call me from here. Come here, look at here. Guinea Palo, me can find.
Yeah, so they're not shocking this.
Bless up yourself. Them a go beach. I be single now, Kyrie, and we start fall anytime. So when him come back, I tell him, say, since he spend no time with me now, like how his son out, go on away. So you know, so we are going to reap the property for him, you know. Nobody flat me show you no internet. 2 jelly and 2 guinea pan. I don't know anything. You see how me a sweat? Me say me have a sweating problem. Yeah, them a go beach and come back. So we are going to tour down the place. We are going to pick breadfruit. We are pick 2 guinea. I tell you from what day I feel mash up, man. Instead of something come, it's something nobody. You know, we're going through my internet, I get trouble people. No, man. All me, I get all. If something did come, the first month, All me I do a sweat. Sweat, 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 sweat. Hot. So you know how old me get old. Satan strong, me internet I get trouble. The me say instead of the something come, I burn me a burn up and feel weak. Father, internet I get trouble. Me not feel like Erica. Me feel weak, mash up. Me have to push myself to go. Yeah, woman a pause. It look like I did some make on. Yeah, that's the thing too. Plus me I have the cook out the Friday. Somebody felt me cook Sunday morning or something, you know, or find somebody to drive me or something. Alright, rest up, bless up yourself far away, look, yeah. You too, love. Yeah, I found with my internet. I award what I'm supposed to get. I told them this morning that I can't make it. I said they will find a place for me sleep over. But Friday party, Saturday clean up, Sunday cooking, and then we drive for Sentence Bay again and drive back in hours a night. Boy, I'm not think me can manage. This Friday I go mash me up, man. Hey! Yeah, me did I wear a long time, said that I'll start. One time somebody have an idea. But I wake from feel weak, like would I wake up and chop down the whole of yard. If me make two chop, me just start sweat and feel, you know, tired and hot. Without that, me good. Me just start feel very tired and the heat. Me if I go on. Well, really, that award would be nice, but me not have no time to put myself together figure no award. Saturday me I go dead. Sunday, me I go there and it start was 6 or 7 in the night. I saw me I go there pan. Tired. Come I got tired. I'm not tired for sure. Okay, 26 I cook out. I mean, can't no give them the food. Me prefer no collect the award.